A question that pops out most frequently among non-native speakers of English. Should I translate what I'm thinking of into English, or should I ask myself, how do they say it in English? The answer to that question is very simple. You need to make sure to ask yourself all the time, how do they say it in English? Not how do I translate that into English? You come across this kind of challenge, especially when you're writing an essay or you're instantaneously starting a conversation with someone and you need to immediately respond back to them to prompt yourself or to prompt them about something that you want to say to them. But you come across this kind of problematic issue of challenge of whether you want to say something such as an idiomatic expression to them, and you come across this kind of hurdle of trying to describe it to them, but you slow down, you hesitate, and all of that is going to impede you from delivering effectively the message. And that is because you're translating into English. You do not need to filter whatever you're thinking of in Arabic into English because you are using different sets of codes and different sets of communication messages in English. You need to always think about how they say it in English, not how should I translate that into English, unless you're a professional translator and you need to carefully deliver the exact translation of the context from Arabic to English. There is no absolute necessity to translate word by word or sentence by sentence into English. That's not necessary. You need to deliver the meaning. The meaning is the ultimate goal of your communication. And if you deliver that effectively, there is no necessity to translate word by word. So keep that message in your mind. ربي يحفظكم.